Alright, so hello and welcome back, fellow metalheads and music lovers. Before I start, I'm sorry that I haven't gotten around to all of your requests yet, but I will in due time. So just give me some time and keep reminding me, keep pushing my buttons and stuff like that. So this one is a request by Karina for the band called Wolfheart. And this is a band that I've never heard of in my entire life, so I thought it would be exciting to check out something fresh this afternoon to give out, a nice start to the day, basically. This song is called The Flood, I believe. I think it's The Flood. And I put up this video because all of their other videos were made through Vivo. So I'm trying to stay away from Vivo, by the way, if you can't tell. I took down my All That Remains video because it was through Vivo. So I've heard a lot of stories about Vivo, horror stories actually, and I'm just going to try to generally stay away from covering their videos. So if I can find an alternative, I will, and this is one that's an alternative. It's just like a picture of their album artwork and the whole album. So I found that The Flood was on 1722 of the video, and I'll start there. So yes, thank you again all for supporting the channel, and like I said, if you have any suggestions or requests, just leave them down below. So without further ado, let's get into Wolfheart's The Flood. Is it all the way up? Let's see. Yes, okay. Ooh, I like that a lot. I like songs with very nice intros that kind of progress. I'm assuming it's going to progress. It's certainly a nice day for this type of music. It's gloomy, overcast. Cheers, by the way. I like the piano in the background. It adds a nice touch. Hell yeah. Very nice, very mellow. Those growls were impressive. Liked them a lot. Oh, nice. That's very, very nice. That's wonderful. So much soul. Wow. Holy moly. Super nice guitar solo. Well, I like this part a lot. Yeah. Pretty sure that's the end. That's a pretty short song compared to all the other Melodeath songs that I've listened to so far. But wow, that was very impressive. It was very mellow and very steady. You know, kind of simple in a way, but simple to kind of hit you in the face with their melodies and their vocals and the story that they're telling. I have to read the lyrics. I couldn't understand what was going on, but I wish it was like a lyric video or something for this, but there's not. Wolfheart's kind of like a very small niche band, and you know, I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that, especially along with all the other Melodeath bands that I've been reviewing recently. It's kind of a nice twist on things. You know, this was more of like a folky kind of Melodeath. It reminded me a lot of Insomnia mixed with like Enshine and Agalok even. And I'm glad I checked these guys out. I have to check out more. Unfortunately, I don't know if I can review. I'm not going to review the Vivo ones, but I will have to check out more of their stuff so I can get back to you guys on what I like about this band, because this is a kick-ass band. And that guitar solo in the middle was amazing. So much emotion, so much soul in that guitar solo. You could tell like he was pulling from, I don't know if it's he, but they were pulling from different influences and kind of putting it into this song, and it was so refreshing. It really was. So if you watch this far in the video, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe if you like it. Thank you, Karina, for suggesting this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. So peace out.